Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Having frozen fruit on hand makes it so easy to whip up a smoothie anytime. You can use fresh fruit, but frozen fruit gives your smoothie that nice icy thick texture. You can enjoy the fresh fruit, and when it is just past that point of peak ripeness, freeze the sweet delicious flavor of it and use it for a smoothie.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although there are blenders specific for making frozen fruit smoothies, almost any blending device would do just fine. Just put your mix of frozen fruit, juice, and Greek yogurt into the blender and turn the knob. Keep it on until the mix is free from lumps.
Let's help you make your mark.
Higher blood sugar levels, added sugars in your already sweet smoothies can be especially bad for your body, and should be avoided if possible. But even if you're making your smoothie yourself using all natural ingredients, it can still have a lot of the natural sugar in it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.